Hi guys. I want to talk today about retail traders. They're having a really big impact on the market. Their participation in global trading volumes has increased significantly over the past decade. And they do things differently, particularly in equities and all the more so in options. Why do I want to talk about them? Because when institutional investors make decisions, when family offices make decisions, they now need to be thinking about what the future of retail trading activity is. So number one, what do retail traders change? Well, they amplify swings. They think in shorter term horizons, and they also go into pockets of illiquidity like GameStop. You saw what happened GameStop, the short squeeze a few years ago. That's going to keep happening. That's going to happen more. People want short-term profits. People want to hurt hedge funds, institutional investors. So I think we'll see more short squeezes in future. You never see them coming and then they pop. Two, are retail investors right? Do they make money? How do institutional investors and family offices respond to heavily retail traded stocks? Well, I was speaking to a top quant fund on the East Coast a few weeks ago at their offices, and they said, look, retail traders aren't necessarily right or wrong. Our models don't posit that retail traders are right or wrong. What our models posit and signal is that retail traders create more volatility, faster swings, and we play off that. And two more points. Retail traders are probably the cause for why over the past few years since 2020, markets have bounced back so fast, because retail traders are always looking to get in on the drawdown. Okay, markets have fallen 10%. Let's get in. This is an opportunity. Whereas institutional investors often have big pots of money, long-term capital. They just don't think the same way. Their risk management is much more front and center of everything they do. And finally, I think this is really key why this is an interesting topic, is that the behavior and the interests of retail traders does shape the future. A lot of what's happening in crypto, the institutionalization of crypto offerings, is because retail traders jumped in and started trading crypto in all sorts of ways. So I think retail is leading the charge and is shaping the future. And that is why it needs to be paid some attention, why family offices and institutions need to have a think going forward about where retail is at. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe and please comment below. Thank you.